Good morning students. I welcome you all for today's online session of SST class 4th. We have started with our second lesson, mountains and plateaus in India. Now see students, before starting mountains or plateaus in depth, first what is important, you should know all the landforms. Now what is a landform? Landform in the word itself says land and forms, land and forms. So different forms of land is called landforms. Now our earth is a very beautiful place with variety of divisions. Now on in your textbook page number 11, landforms of India, we have started it, but this is I am explaining in depth, so that first you will understand what are the different landforms. Until and unless you don't know the different physical divisions of India, how you will study in detail. So first I will explain you today the physical divisions of India. Now see, our country India has various landforms that makes it unique and interesting. Okay, now landforms of India are grouped into different physical divisions. They are grouped into different physical divisions. So there are total 6 physical divisions of India. There are total 6 physical divisions of India. So first is what? Northern mountains. Second is northern plains. Third is the Thar desert. Fourth is the peninsular plateau. Fifth is the coastal plains, and sixth is the islands. So these 6 physical divisions of India we are going to see today one by one. Now on map I will show you which state how they comes. First I will give you a small definition of each and every concept. Now see, the northern mountains. The northern mountains are what? On the north side, from west to east, in north to till Arunachal Pradesh, the chain of mountains, the continuous chain of mountains is called northern mountains, and it stretches up to 2400 kilometers. So the chain of mountains from northwest to east is northern mountains. Now northern plains. What are northern plains? Northern plains are also called Indo-Gangetic plains. What are they also called? Indo-Gangetic plains. So 3 rivers, Indus, Brahmaputra, Ganga. These 3 rivers are there. I will show you on map, and the soil which is deposited from these 3 rivers form the northern plains. Okay, now next is what? The desert region, also called the Thar desert. So Indian desert is in northwestern part of India. Where it is? In northwestern part of India, and most part of Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat and Haryana are covered under the Thar desert. Then next, peninsular plateau. So see, first is northern mountains, then next comes northern plains. To the mountains, south of the mountains are plains, south of the plains come the Thar desert. Then the downside part, the southern part of our country is called the peninsular plateau. Now see students, this plateau is also made up of 3 parts: Malwa plateau, Chota Nagpur plateau, and Deccan plateau. All these points we are going to see in detail one by one, but today I am giving you just introduction of different physical divisions of India. So this is the peninsular plateau in the southern part. Then coastal plains. I have explained you in previous video also what are the plains, coastal plains. The areas, the surface or the land near the coast is called coastal plains. Now to the eastern side and to the western side is the eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains, and last are the island. Now what are the islands? What I have explained you in last I think last session I have sent you landforms. So in that I have told you land with all sides of water is called the island. So Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep island, these 2 islands are important. Now all these things I will show you on a map. Now, so we will see all these physical divisions on physical map of India. See, this is the physical map of India. So first point I have told you, northern mountains. In this brown color, see, from Jammu and Kashmir and above also till Arunachal Pradesh in the east, all this range of mountains is northern mountains. Then here downside are the northern plains. Okay, these are also called Indo-Gangetic plains. Here is Indus river, here is Brahmaputra, and here is Ganga. And these three rivers, the soil forms of all these three rivers, and they form the northern plains. So this is downside northern plains. Then to the south, now this side in northwestern, see Gujarat, Rajasthan, see Rajasthan, and some parts of Haryana is the Thar desert. Here is the Thar desert. And then peninsular plateau, this yellow portion, all this yellow portion is peninsular plateau, or also called the Malwa, Chota Nagpur plateau, the Malwa plateau, and the Deccan plateau. These three forms the peninsular plateau. And now see, this is the coastal region. Can you see? All the ocean is, these are the oceans, and this region, this green part, these are the, what it is called, coastal plains. These are the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. So Bay of Bengal is here and Arabian Sea. Now Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep, these two islands, last physical division was the island. So this island, all sides water and in between land. This two portion is called the island. So understood all the physical division: northern mountains, northern plains, Thar desert, peninsular plateau, coastal plains, and the islands. Okay. So we have completed all the physical divisions of India, and in next part we will see one by one in detail. Thank you.